Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. Video, we will see how to insert a new items in a previously created linked list. Means we have to consider one case like we are given a linked list which is already created, and now we have to only insert the elements at different situations. First of all, we have to see how to insert data in a linked list after a given value. But before that, we will see the different cases of inserting the data items. First case is insert the new data item at the front position of the linked list. How this task can be finished? Now consider if there is a linked list like this is having suppose 3 nodes, then both are having different data elements and pointer to the next node. Now we have to insert the new node. Suppose this is P and we have to insert it into first position, means before this, means this is the head node. We have to insert this into this position, means actually the task for us is that we have to shift the head to this position, means to this node, and then attach this to the previous head. And now we are seeing here that our head is shifted to the previous position and node is inserted at the front of a list. But this is only a diagrammatical representation. How we can accomplish this task? We have to follow some steps like suppose it is a head node, then we have to create new node, means we have to take a new node as a P and allocate memory, then declare its next pointer to null, then accept the data in it. This is the procedure for accepting and creating the new node. But how to attach this node to here? Next, we have to follow the procedures like as we had seen, we had declared the P pointer next equals to null. We have to shift the P pointer next equals to head. Okay, we had attached the P pointer next to head, means here we had created the situations like this is attached to this, and now we will have to shift the head pointer, that is head equals to P, means we are shifting the head's position to this P pointer. Again P is here but head is also here, means it is the starting point. This is the case to insert the elements in front of a list. Suppose there is a next case, that is we have to insert the element at the middle of a linked list. Then how can we complete this task? Suppose we have to insert at the middle, means the user has provided us the location where we have to insert the new node. Suppose it is the third position, means actually we have to insert after this the new node. Then same, we will create the new node, allocate the memory, make its pointer next as a null, and accept the data in it like a previous situation. But how can we attach this in this particular position? Consider the cases like suppose they had provided us the third position, we will accept it from the user. In such case, we have to stop till the -1 position of that, means 2, means we have to start, suppose it is a head, we had declared one pointer as a P, we will shift it to the next till the n is not achieved, Now suppose it is a third position, we have to stop the P here. Then in such case, we will attach the P pointer next to the new node and attach the new pointer next to the P pointer next. Means what is the procedure? We will attach P pointer next to new node, means this connection was done, and for this connection we had to complete new pointer next is equal to, means this pointer next equals to P pointer next means this is the next node, means previous connection was break and new connection was established. This is the case for inserting the element at the middle, but now we have to attach at the end of a linked list. So how we can perform it? We will go, means start with any node that is a P and shift it to the next till its pointer next not equals to null. Okay, now consider the case we had arrived at a position, this means this is the end node, and now we will simply attach our new node to the next of this node. These are all about the different cases to insert a new node in a previously created linked list. Now we have to start with the first situation, that is we have to insert a data in a linked list after a given value. Now we have to create a function, so we will create a function like, as it is returning us positions of the head node, always we have to take a return type as a node. Then we will write a function name as a insert. Then we have to take a starting point as a head node, so node star head is the starting point. Then we have to take the new node to be inserted, that is the x, and after a given value means we have to take a position from the user, so we are taking here the key element as a position element. Then first of all, in this situation we will require, head is the starting point and we are having previously, but in this case we will have to create two dummy nodes, that is the star p and star q, to handle this situation. Then suppose P is taken for a new node, then we all knows that when we take any new node in a linked list, then we have to create a memory. So we will create memory for it, that is P equals to node star malloc and then size of node. Now we have to take a data in it, but we had received it in a parameter, so only we place it in its data part, means that is P pointer data equals to x. Now we have to take situations of the key, means the user provided us the key element as the first element, middle element or the last element, so we have to check the position. Suppose it is the -1, means if key is equal to -1, means it is a case that we have to insert a node at the front of a linked list. Then in such case we will simply insert node to the front, that is the P pointer next equals to head, and shift the head to P, means head equals to P. Complete the first case. Means here in this case we had taken a situation like, if it is a first node then we have to only place it to the front of a list, but if it is not a -1, means it is a position rather than the front of a linked list, then we have to take different situations, means whether it can be in a second, third, or at the last position. Now we didn't know actually where is the position, so we have to find that position. Now we will find the actual position where the new node will be inserted. So we will apply the next else loop. Now suppose it is a head node and this is the list. If we have to traverse in a list, head node will be always there. So we have to traverse the list, we have to take a new node, that new pointer, that is the, we named it as a q. So we will assign head to the q, means we will placing again q to the first node, that is the head node. Now we will take the q node till it is not equal to key node, means we will take a loop like while key not equals to q pointer data, means they had provided us the data element, means suppose it is a 10, 20, 30, okay, and they had provided us that we have to insert the new element after the 20 or 30 data element. So we are checking the key to the data element, we have to shift till key is not equals to q pointer data and q not equals to null. We have to carry this situation and we have to go next, that is the q equals to q pointer next. In this case we are only taking the position of a list, and suppose at the end of this loop we had received the position and we are checking if q not equals to null, means the data we had received in this, means the node we had received in the previous loop is not null, means it is actually there, then key is found. In such case we will insert like p pointer next equals to q pointer next and q pointer next equals to the p element, means suppose this is the case and this is the q element where we had received the key element, means suppose it is a 20, we have to insert the data after this 20, then we had reached here, so we will follow this procedure like we had created the p node and its next is nothing but the q pointer next, means we will attach like this and q pointer next is nothing but the p node. So this is the procedure for how to insert any node after a given value, means here actually we are not dealing with the position but we are dealing with these values of a data elements after which value we have to insert the elements. But suppose there may be some cases like here it is a list from 10 to 50 elements and they had given us 60 as a key element. If it is not equals to key element and q not equals to null, it will automatically return us the head node, means it will not insert these different statements, means it does not execute these steps. So this is the special case how to insert a data in a linked list after a given value.